Hey guys, it's Tori. So today I am going to be doing a first impression review and tutorial on the brand new Beauty Bay Age of Opulence palette, or opulence. I think it's opulence. But I literally got this in the mail today. I got it in the mail like right before I was getting ready to leave. So I figured I'll take off my eye makeup that I had done, keep on the face makeup so that I don't have to redo my face, and give this little test out for you guys. I also tested out the Wilderness palette a few weeks ago, so if you're curious on how that palette performs, maybe you want to make a big Beauty Bay purchase, go check that out. And without further ado, let's just get started. Okay, so this is how the outer box looks like. I really like it. I think it's very sleek. It's very bulky packaging. I have watched a couple of reviews on this just because I was curious. This was $20 or was it $15? Maybe it was only $15. That sounds accurate. $15 or $20, somewhere in there. And it has 20 shades. So this is what the packaging looks like. I hate this packaging. I way prefer the box compared to this. See how much bigger this is? There was like a ton of bubble wrap in there to keep it protected or whatever. I just don't like the way this looks. I haven't even opened this palette yet. It's supposed to be similar to their Book of Magic palette, which is the palette that they came out with last year for holiday time. There is one of those little peel off things, so I'm trying. I don't think that was very satisfying, but whatever. This is what the palette looks like. It's literally so freaking pretty. Like, oh my god. I cannot wait to play with this. Like, this is just so happy I bought this. Like, I'm so happy I bought this. Look at that. I don't even know what I'm gonna do today. No idea what I'm gonna do today, but wow, this palette is just something freaking special. It's supposed to look similar-ish to the Book of Magic palette. I've seen plenty of like people put them side by side and everything. There's definitely differences between the two, but this is just literally freaking stunning. I have absolutely no clue what kind of look I'm going to do. I definitely think I want to play with the blues over the purple because my Blend Benny Surge palette look had purple in it, so I'm feeling like doing the blues. But I'm gonna go apply my P. Louise base. Okay, my eyes are primed, and I'm gonna be going in with the shade Rich to start. And I'm just taking a small pencil brush. There's a little bit of fallout, nothing much. I'm gonna tap off my brush just because I don't want fallout all over my face. And I'm going to start in, whoa, that's got a pokey bristle on it. I'm gonna start on the inner portion of my eye. I filmed with my Jacqueline palette yesterday, and I really enjoy that palette a lot. And you guys should be proud of me. I filmed 2 days in a row with 2 different palettes. So I think that deserves a round of applause. Thank you. But yeah, I filmed yesterday, and then I also filmed today because I just got this palette in the mail and I have been dying to play with it. Like, look how pigmented that is. That's insane. Now I'm going in with the shade Lavish, which is literally the most beautiful cobalt blue ever. Just going to tap that on my brush. That one was a little bit more powdery, but that kind of makes sense because it's more of a bright color, you know. The first shade we went in with was a little bit more of a like jewel tone, while this is like literally just bright as fuck. I'm gonna try to blend those two together just a little bit. But I used my Jaclyn palette again today, like I was talking about earlier, and I really like it. And then as soon as I got done doing my makeup and I was getting ready to head out the door to go hang out with my friend Anna, I got my package in the mail. So I was like, okay, when I get home tonight, I'm going to film, because I've been waiting on this palette. I've literally been checking the shipping for so freaking long. Like, I've been so excited. Now I'm going in with the shade Curfew. I've been trying to make a lot of TikToks lately, because I had been like doing good at TikTok like last year this time, and now I like suck at it. So if you're not following me on TikTok, it's Tori Linn _ anyway, just like my Instagram. Go follow me there too. Show some love, comment, like. Let's do a little bit of promoting, you know. But I filmed a couple of TikToks today. This would be my third one that I'm filming, because I started a TikTok before I started filming this video. So I'm hoping that the one I just posted does okay. Doesn't seem like it's really going to, because it's not doing very good so far. Shocker. I don't know like how people can like post the randomest shit and get like TikTok famous, but then there's those of us who like really try to like post makeup videos and stuff, and like they just never get anywhere. And it's like really frustrating, because sometimes it just like feels like those of us who deserve it don't get recognition. And I'm not even talking about like just myself, I mean like just so many smaller influencers, you know. It's really difficult sometimes to like keep yourself going, because I feel like you're putting in so much hard work and you're just like not getting anywhere. Right now on Ulta they have a bunch of gift sets of the Ariana Grande perfumes, and I really want the Rim one because that's my favorite perfume. It's that one, but it's my favorite perfume, and I'm literally running low on it, and so I just need a new one. But there's like a gift set version and I want it. And then I still haven't gotten the Cloud Intense perfume, and I smelled it today at Ulta and it smells really good. Like I definitely do think that there's a difference between the two. That's just my personal opinion. If you disagree, that is fine. By all means, you do you. I also went to Cosmoprof today, and they literally had none of the products I was looking for. There was like 3 things on my list, and they didn't have any of them. I really want the new Olaplex product, the toning shampoo, and then there was 2 things from Joico I wanted. One of them was dry shampoo, and then the other one was a texturizing spray. They didn't have either of those either, so it's always fun, you know? So for my lid, you already know that I need to go in with the shade Revival right here. Like how could I not just slather that on my eye? It's so creamy to the touch. Oh my god, that is beautiful. You're joking. Like you are freaking lying. Oh my god, this shade literally, oh, that's so pretty. That's just so pretty. I'm like obsessed right now. I gotta swatch a couple of the other shimmers because I feel like they need to be showcased, because God, is that just so pretty. Some shimmies. Look how pretty. Oh wow, I love it. I'm gonna go do the other eye, and then I'll be back for like my lower lash line and stuff. I mean, you guys know how it is. Okay, so lashes are on, my other eye is finished. It looks super pretty. I just think it's like so big and dramatic, but I love it. So for my lower lash line, I think we're gonna go in with the Lavish shade just because I want it to pop a little bit more than it is. I want to give it a bit of its own moment. So just gonna pick that up, tap it off, don't want too much fallout, and go right in with that. So it's not showing up very pigmentedly since I wasn't patting it. So if I pack it on, it's not as pigmented under here. Probably because I don't have a wet eye base, like something sticky for it to attach to. See, this eye looks good. This one does not. I brought it down way too far. Damn it. Why did I do that? Let me know why. Now I'm gonna go in with that curfew shade right here and just put a little bit of that on the very outer corner just to deepen it. Okay, so for the inner corners, we'll try Crush, actually. Okay, so this is the final look. I think the eyes are pretty. Obviously, I dragged, I don't know, the lower lash line on the side way too far. So if we look at this side, it looks really good. Really pretty, really pigmented, really blendable. Definitely worth either $15 or $20, I don't remember. Like I said, I don't really love the packaging, but it's pigmented, it's beautiful. Like, you can't tell me that these shades are not beautiful. The shimmers look amazing. For my lips, I use the Juvia's Place Sweet Nothing lip liner and then the e.l.f. cream lipstick, and the shade name is Cream or Creme. But this is the final look. I would recommend this palette if you have your eyes on it. It's limited edition, so it's not going to be there forever. I just want to say that right before I filmed this, I edited the video from yesterday that I filmed, so I would have enough storage to film this, so you guys should really love me and feel very appreciated. But with all that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. I'm gonna go watch Babs Beauty video on the new Jaclyn holiday collection because it comes out in 2 days and I want it. So, gonna see what she says. With all that being said, I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!